This is a basket with 8 kittens in it.
Squishmallows in there too?
Yeah, all the babies are in there. Do you think the big ones are gonna squish the little ones on the bottom?
Go get your homework on and look at it.
And just because I can, it's a basket. It's a basket of kittens.
Go get your stuff.
I have a basket of kittens. Does anybody want a basket of kittens?
We decided we're gonna name them all after rock bands, eating chocolates.
Really?
That's Batman. So that was Blondie.
That's Batman, yep.
That was Blondie that just jumped out.
Blondie.
Oh, his name is already Batman.
Oh, look, more kitties. No matter how many jump out, there's still a forever amount. That's Sebastian. He's leaving today. That's why we're making this video. It's my last chance. And then that's
Camby.
That's Camby.
And that's Aerosmith, Cheap Trick, The Cure, and the Ramones.